Okay, then you're recording. But you said so you don't just stop. When you get ready to stop, you push that red button again, and then it'll go black. And then when it goes black, you let off. And when you start again, you push it until it's like, then it'll fade in just like a TV does, in and out, you know, instead of just push that fade, I think. Hold that fade until it starts to go.
Hey, let me look.
Just a minute.
Does it go black then?
No, I'm doing something.
Yeah, nice.
Said what that fade will do is like when your TV goes off to a commercial, it kind of fades out, and then when it comes back from the commercial, it kind of fades in. Somehow we got to read how to do that. So don't just cut off.
You little stubby butt. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get it on the
Your
door.
voice is on there too. Sure.
Now. Can you see him?
Yeah.
Is he coming closer?
Yeah.
You can't get that close.
Mike, give me that other box and get the case out. Okay, fade button. When the button is pressed.
Are you kidding me? She gave me that jumping. Did you get me? Oh, get it! Get Angie!
Oh no, I might break the camera. Knock it off!
Get her!
Are you serious? Oh my god.
Brad, did you get me nice doing that?
When you're doing what?
Nice getting Angie hugging her? I gotta go. See Mom. How do you like our new camera?
Did anyone call?
Counselor.
My counselor? Oh
The
really?
little red light in the front's flashing. I know you're recording me.
You're recording him?
No, it's recording.
You can tell when they're recording, there's little lights flashing in the front.
There's that little green light
You
on
gotta hold
it.
it still.
There's a little green light.
You gotta hold it still.
Right there. I can't hold it still. It's heavy. Shut up!
You'll tape in the wall.
Well, I turned it to look at Brad, but I didn't end up looking at Brad.
I'll take some more.
Why did we get that stupid switch like that?
Mikey.
Grandpa put that
I'll
in.
get one a day, but then I gotta find a different color.
What's with the shame?
Maggie, aren't you overreacting?
Yeah.
Just consciously. You're packing because we need to do a little room switching tonight.
What'd you say about me?
Nothing.
Is this blurry or is it just my eyes?
The light.
Oh.
Run it all out.
Why don't I turn it off?
Push the red button first, right on the other side by your finger.
There's a green button.
No, one you just had your finger on.
Well, you turn it on.
It is.
Get her!
Oh no!
Get her, Brad! Get her!
Oh, quit it!
Get her!
Oh.
What'd you do? Quit basketball? Oh my god. Now we can get Blakeney on tape.